Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Stories with Jane. I am your host, and today we are starting something exciting, a brand new pasta series. Every video we will cook a delicious pasta dish together, and we will practice our English at the same time. I will speak slowly. I will speak clearly. Please relax and follow along. Today we are making spaghetti bolognese. First, let me show you what we need today. These are our ingredients. I have spaghetti, I have ground beef, I have tomato sauce, I have 1 onion, I have 2 garlic cloves, I have olive oil, I have salt and pepper. Do you have all of these at home? Great! Let's start cooking. Okay, step 1. First, I fill the pot with water. Next, I put the pot on the stove. Then I turn on the heat. Now we wait for the water to boil. The water is boiling now. I add salt to the water. Next, I add the spaghetti to the pot. The spaghetti cooks for 10 minutes. While we wait, let's make the sauce. First, I chop the onion. The onion is small and white. I chop it into tiny pieces. Next, I chop the garlic. Garlic smells very strong. Do you like garlic? I love it. Then I heat olive oil in the pan. The pan is hot now. I add the onion to the pan. I stir the onion slowly. The onion is cooking now. It smells so good. Now I add the garlic and I stir everything together. I add the ground beef. I break it apart with my spoon. The beef is browning now. Now I add the tomato sauce and I stir everything together. Finally, I add salt and pepper. A little salt, a little pepper. Perfect. The sauce is cooking now. I turn the heat down low. We let the sauce simmer for 5 minutes. Our spaghetti is ready now. First, I drain the spaghetti. I pour it through a colander. The hot water drains away. Next, I put the spaghetti on the plate. Then, I spoon the bolognese sauce on top of the spaghetti. It looks delicious. Finally, I add a little Parmesan cheese on top. Parmesan is a hard Italian cheese. It tastes amazing on pasta. Our spaghetti bolognese is ready. Great job, everyone! Now let us review our vocabulary from today. Repeat after me. Spaghetti, sauce, boil, stir, chop, drain, simmer, delicious, wonderful. You did great! And that is how you make spaghetti bolognese. Today, we practiced simple present tense, kitchen vocabulary, and food vocabulary. You are doing amazing. Keep practicing every day. Now it is your turn. Try making this dish at home and tell me in the comments in English. Did you make it? How did it taste? Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and come back next week for episode 2. See you soon.